welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be opening
the LOL surprise amazing surprise. Okay guys, so we went ahead and we opened up the big box, but now we have a Big Mac that we have to open. So we're given the instructions.
Here is the little world of all
the LOL.
And here is instructions when you get lost.
So it's amazing news. Downtown BB and Uptown Girl are each opening a pop-up shop in the city, but they need your help. Their whole fam, their pets, and their fierce fashions and accessories for the shops are hiding around the city, waiting to be unboxed. Follow the number maze to collect surprises, so everyone's ready for the grand opening. So there are 51, I believe, 51 boxes, as per the little instruction manual.
With 2.
And then we're gonna go ahead and get started from 1. So Isabel did go ahead and find 1. It's right here. Start here and remove box number 1 and open. So let's pull this piece out and go ahead and open that.
It's a mystery.
Ooh, so what's in there?
A little sister.
Ooh.
We got her. We got a little sister.
Look guys, she has lavender hair.
What
little
is
pacifier.
inside?
And I think we got the first little picture of what we have to connect to a puzzle, I believe. It's this one.
Here.
So we're gonna go ahead and put that piece here.
Since we opened box 1, let's go to next number 2.
So this is box number 2. Here we go.
Here we go.
Here's a little blind bag inside.
These are grown-up shoes.
So whose shoes could that be? Is it Downtown BB or Uptown Girl? Ooh.
Yeah. Let's see. Now let's open box 3.
Number 3, right?
There it is.
While she does that one, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with number 4. Number 4. Number 3.
What do I get? Wait. His shorts or something. Where's his top?
No top? Maybe it's gonna be found in another box.
No.
Ooh, I got little shoes.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Ooh, who is this? We got another one.
Oh, we got another piece. This one is the puppy piece.
Who is it? Who is it?
Gerald Wells.
Oh, we got a little boy. Yay!
We got a little boy puppy from the picture.
Very cute. Yeah.
So we're gonna pull the tab on the sides to reveal everything after the clouds.
Cool surprises.
Look, we got a whole bunch of them now.
What the?
Got the whole map. The clouds cleared up.
Number 6.
This one. The blind bag under.
I think this is the little top. Oh yeah, it is.
Ooh,
Great.
you found it.
Yeah. Okay guys, so I found the number 7. Here it is.
So we're gonna go ahead and open that.
Number 7.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and try to find number 8.
Ooh, wow. This is a little top.
Ooh, I wonder who that could be.
Look.
And I found little sunglasses in number 8.
Now let's look for number 9.
That was here.
Here.
And let's go ahead and find number 10 while she does 9. Ooh, number 10 is right underneath. Oh my goodness, it's little clips.
And I found a little 2 shoes.
Little shoes.
Yes.
I found Queen and Yas. Little clips. Number 11, and then we're number 12.
And I found some sunglasses. Cool sunglasses.
So then this one was 14. Let's open up 13.
Ooh, I got it.
Ooh, and you know what I got?
What?
I think I got a doll because I think I got a sticker.
Oh, I think you're right.
Ooh, we got the ballerina doll. And then we have our little bottle.
Oh!
You got a little outfit at the top?
Yeah.
I think it's a little bracelet.
Ooh, I think this is a doll.
I hope there's a puzzle piece.
No,
It's a pet.
Oh my God.
Ooh, I got a key for one of the dolls.
And
We got a
here's
piece.
little sticker.
Found 20. I got shoes. Guys, I keep getting shoes today. So many pairs
Now I'm
of
gonna
shoes.
get something different. Ooh.
You
Oh!
got the little
Yeah.
skirt for that.
I got a little skirt. I got a little skirt. I got a new skirt.
Ooh, lucky you. It matches the bottle.
Yep.
I think I got a boy. I got a little puzzle piece. City Slicker.
You.
107.
Good boy.
I think it's just
Ooh, I'm
confusing
lucky.
after a while.
Yeah, I'm lucky. I have pants.
So this is a shirt. You open up 25, so it's going to be 26 that you're looking for now.
26. Where's 20?
Ooh, and I got a nice pair of glasses for one of our big
Oh,
sisters.
found it. 26. Yeah.
26, okay. And then I'm
Finally.
looking for 27.
Oh, I think I got a LOL doll. Yes, I did. I did. Oh, there. Oh, great. Oh, great.
28.
You put this little piece.
We got Preppy.
Yep. Lucky me. Let's see his hair. Oh my god, he's so cute.
And we got the matching top, by the way.
Here you go. Oh, I see this. Wow.
It's a little necklace, probably, right?
No, I think it's a headband.
A headband? I keep getting pairs of shoes. Like
Wait, what
every
is
single
this?
time. They're a little pair
this-
of red shoes.
Oh, yes! I got an LOL doll. I'm so lucky.
I think I got a
Like me.
baby doll. Little downtown girl. Yep, baby girl.
And her lipstick
31.
doesn't match.
No, it looks so nice. Ooh.
Here you go.
So this was downtown girl.
Ooh.
You got a pair of shoes. Nice.
Nice me.
33.
I don't
I still
know.
can't find 33. 33 and then 34. I found them. Ooh, does she have a puzzle piece? Yes, she does. You know why? Because she's a pet. It's Uptown Meow.
A bottle. Let's see.
Ooh, Uptown Meow. Found you. You know what? If I get another pair of shoes, I'm just gonna end this video. I keep getting shoes,
No,
and more
don't
shoes.
end it.
So these are pink fluffy slippers.
Ooh, what is this?
The Amazing Surprise. I guess it's a sticker, right?
Ooh.
You got a pair of sunglasses.
Sunglasses for big sisters. 40.
I feel like this is gonna be another pair of shoes.
40.
Boy, am I right. It is another pair of shoes.
40. Oh, there it is. I found it. Found it. Found it. Finally. It's a pet. Finally, it's a pet.
And then,
It's a pet.
ooh, nice. This one is Downtown Hot. So I'm looking for 41. 41.
Ooh, she's so lucky. Oh, lucky me.
Trying to get 41.
Here you go.
Okay, we got it.
Ooh.
I found the other key for the other big sister. So we have both keys to unlock both girls.
Yeah. Wait, I got
Another pair of pants.
pants.
Ooh, I found City Boy. Another one.
Ooh,
Oh,
I got a little top. Little top.
Found him.
Here. Boy, I don't know where's
I got a piece. Downtown, uptown piece.
Damn, I got a little
I think we got
top.
little earrings or cuffs.
Ooh, I'm so lucky.
You are. You open up a bunch of dolls. So this is prim,
Pretty.
like proper and prim.
Ooh, hello everybody. Welcome back to my show.
I'm honestly at this point like opening up all the boxes that we still have
Now
yet to open. Here,
Like this.
because it does get a bit confusing when all the boxes are kind of glued down. And we don't know which one we opened and which one we didn't. That's probably why it goes in order, but
I Dana, look. Got a little pop-up shop.
Oh, we got a magazine
Yeah.
for both sisters. That's cool.
Yeah. So when they get boring, they can get a little magazine. Wait. Now which one?
Then I got the shirt, I think for Prim.
Now what we're gonna open? Yay!
I think I got the earrings for one of the sisters as well. Like the little hoop earrings. Nice.
Nice.
So that means we're gonna go ahead and open up the big sisters. I guess I'm gonna go with this one, and then Belle's gonna go with that one. I wonder who it would be.
Oh my god, OMG.
Remember guys, you have to go through the whole thing in order to get the keys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just leave her in her little closet for now.
And here's mine. Hello, many of flowers.
So these are the things that we received, all the dolls, and then the little puzzle as well. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which one your favorite doll was, if it was either Downtown BB or Uptown Girl, I believe. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more LOL unboxings. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.